Hello, in today's video we're going to talk about how to change the Spectrum Guide from all channels. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. You can customize your Spectrum TV Guide by creating favorites. First, press the menu button on your remote and click Guide from the menu. Scroll through the channels and highlight your favorite by pressing the left button. Press Oklahoma and select Favorite to add it to your favorites. You can also go to Settings and Support from the menu and navigate to Preferences, click on Favorites and add or remove other channels by pressing OK on the left of the channel where the red heart appears. Don't forget to click Save once you're done. To access your favorite channels, select My Library from the menu and scroll to Favorites. You can also filter the guide by pressing the Options button and selecting your filter criteria, such as Favorites, Sports, or Kids and Family. Unselect the filter to view all the channels again. And that's it. Changing your Spectrum Guide from all channels is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.